I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Jamovi installed and your data file ready. Open it now and load the dataset. Once loaded, scan the variable pane and make sure the column you want to count is set to nominal or ordinal, because frequency requires categorical coding. If values appear numeric but represent categories, recode them or change type to nominal. Also remove empty header rows and check for stray spaces. These create separate categories. Now select that variable for the next step. Now navigate to Analyzes and choose Frequencies from the Common or Frequencies menu. Drag your categorical variable into the analysis box. You should immediately see counts and percentages populate the output. Make sure both count and percent are checked, and set decimals to your preferred precision. If you want visuals, enable bar plot or pie chart and choose ascending or descending order so the chart communicates the story clearly. Once done, adjust labels and legend for presentation-ready output. To finish, export your frequency table and charts. Use Jamovi's export options to save as PDF or Word, or copy the table to the clipboard for spreadsheets. If counts look fragmented, recode labels or merge categories in the Data tab and rerun frequencies. This fixes stray spaces or inconsistent labeling. If totals don't match expectations, check the missing values filter. Make sure you know whether Jamovi is excluding blanks. If things still go wrong, reopen the data and inspect raw values for hidden characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.